Welcome back, traders. In this video we are diving into the exciting world of gold trading to uncover all the key trades you might miss last week, from gold price fluctuation to market trend. I've got to cover with valuable insights and analysis to help you stay ahead in the game. Let's jump right in and explore the opportunity you won't want to miss. But before we dive into the video, I would like to first teach the two simple trading strategies that I'm using to cash all these trades, and then you are going to be seeing how profitable it is, analyzing it on previous week charts. So let's get started right now. So the trading strategy is just like this. So if price gain what's on the bullish trend, is going to be forming expansion and then retracement, expansion, retracement, expansion, then retracement, then expansion, retracement, then also expansion and retracement. So if you also like to take a bearish moment, you have to wait for price to break two levels. So you have to have a break of structure here. So you have what? A break of structure here. So price end up breaking the low. You can see that all this low is respecting the previous low, this low is respecting this, and also this low is respecting this, this low also is respecting this, why this low is respecting this. So price end up breaking this particular low. So we are not going to wait for price to break one particular low. It has to break two levels, two lows, you understand? So we have the first low there, and then we have the second low there. So the other block that break these two low is the one that you're going to be using. So the other block might be here, and also it might be here also. It all depends where the other block is. So you're going to go for it. So let me just delete this. So you just be expecting for price to move from this place to return back to other block, and the price to continue what on the bearish movement. So that's just for that. So the second trading strategy is also like the same thing, but let me just give you how that work. So let me delete this. So the second strategy, like if price end up breaking one particular level, so let me delete this. Sorry, if price end up breaking one particular level, let's say for example price go like this, and then it end up breaking this only this break particular low. So we have a break of structure here, right here. So we have a break of structure. So we have a break of structure, and then the price not continue to break this particular low. It just end here, you understand? So you're going to be making use of the order block below this swing high. So because price is going to take this swing high as a liquidity. So your order block is going to have to your entry have to be below this particular swing high, because price is going to try to go all the way bullish, and then to enter into this particular order block to take this liquidity, and then start going what on a bearish trend. So that's just the second one. So let me just use the first one also. Let me do it here. If price end up breaking this two level now, can you see? So just I'm doing the second one recap. So if price end up breaking two levels, and then price broke this one also, if price broke this level at the same time, so the other block responsible for it, you understand, is the one you're going to be making use of. So you're not going to make use of this. You only make use of this if price broke only one particular level. But once price break two swing low, you understand, you're going to make use of the other block that is responsible for the two, you understand. And then most of the time the other block is going to be here. So price is not going to break to take this liquidity out. You just see that price doing something like this. Price will test this particular order block, and then start going what on the bearish direction. So that is just like the two trading strategy. Is vice versa for like opposite direction. If you want to like to take a bullish trend, and then you can use it on any time frame side. So that's just for that. So let's just get into the video right now, and then analyze what really happened during the week, last week I mean. So I have to delete all these So let's start the analysis right now. So if you have to share these 1 hour time frame, we first have to mark out last week. So if I want to mark out last week, I have an indicator I'm using. So you just like to differentiate session. So I'm going to turn it on. So this is the session right now, and then this moment here, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So this is Monday. So and then we have Monday up here. So I'm going to be using vertical line to differentiate it. So this is Monday. You can check it. Monday 18 March 2020 March 24 2024 00. Can you see the time? This last week open. So we are going to be analyzing all the movement that happened in this side. So you're not going to like to be going into this particular area. So we are just doing for only the movements you missed during last week, and then this is the week, you understand? So that's just for that. So let me off the session. So And then right now we are on 1 hour time frame. You can go to like 2 hour time frame or 3 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame, it all depends. But let me just start from 1 hour time frame, and then from 1 hour time frame I'll enter into 15 minutes time frame or 5 minutes time frame. So if you also like to check the charts right here, can you see we have so this is where the week starts, and then if you have to check carefully, you're going to see that price end up breaking 2 levels I've mentioned earlier. So that is just like the simple strategy. You can see price broke this high, and also price end up breaking this high here, this swing high. So what is the order block responsible for it? This is the order block. So you are going to wait patiently for price to return back to this order block, and then you're going to like to make use of what the order block, you understand? So can you see that we you missed this particular trade on I think it happens on Tuesday. So if you're using only 1 hour, so you're going to go into like 15 minutes or 5 minutes to see a lot of entry that will miss, you understand? So you can see if you set up what your entry, and then you set up what your take profit, your stop loss, and then your take profit is going to be in the swing high. Your take profit is going to be here. So this swing high. So you're going to set your take profit there, and then you can see that price tap into it here. Can you see? So and then this one ratio 7. Imagine you risk more losses for this. You're going to make $1,500. You understand? So this is 1,535. Can you see it here? 1,535. So if you're using 1 losses for this, you're going to make this amount. So that is just for that. And then if you have to check again, let's look for where price actually break to level at the same time. I think we can see one here. So there's one there. Can you see that this movement right here? Can you see? Let me draw it out. So you can see that price end up breaking this high. This particular high. It end up going above this swing high, and also price end up going above this swing high also. So what is responsible for this? The order block responsible for this to break is this particular order block. So if you go to lower time frame, you can reduce the order block though, but for 1 hour time frame, you just take it to 1 hour right now. But when you go to like 15 minutes, it can change, you understand? So this is the order block responsible for these to break here. And then if you also like to be making use of this order block, you're going to set what our entry here, and also you're going to set our stop loss, and also our take profit. So we're going to set our take profit. So we're going to set it here. So if you check the market right here, you're going to see all these areas are what liquidity. Can you see? All these areas are liquidity. All these are also are liquidity. So I'm going to like to set what my take profit. I'm going to set it here. So I'm still going to miss all these moments, you understand? So my take profit is going to be here, but that doesn't mean anything. So because this is where you assume that price is going to get to, and then price is going to go above it to tap all this liquidity out, and at the end of the day, this end up give you like 1:7, you understand? And then imagine you risk $1 per trade, 1 lot size per trade, you understand? You're using one lot size per trade, you're going to make not less than $3,900. Can you see it here? 3,974. 3,974. So that's just for that. So and then can we see another to break? You can see that this particular moment end up breaking multiples high. Can you see it end up breaking this high and all these highs here? Can you see this particular moment? And then where is the order block responsible for all this break? With this particular order block, you can see that price price just come all the way down to this particular order block, but price is yet like to deliver to like to reach towards our take profit. If you have to like to set this particular entry, you're going to like to set towards your entry here. I'm going to set your entry here, and also your stop loss. You're going to set it here, and also your take profits can set it in this swing high here. You can set it using this particular swing high because there are a lot of liquidity here. The price can probably come to take, you understand? So you can set what your take profit here. So this is 1:15. Can you see 1:15? So if you're using 1 hour time frame, you're going to see the three possible trades we are able to like to cash during last week. This is the first one, then the second, and then this one is going to fall into next week, you understand? But because it's here to like to reach what our take profit. So let's just assume that if you stick to 1 hour time frame and then just trading this particular strategy, these two strategies I've taught you guys, you're going to like to see 2 possible entry that's going to each much profit. But if you go down to like 15 minutes, you're going to see a lot of entry. So let's just go to like 15 minutes right now. So let me delete all this. So let me go to like 15 minutes time frame to see if the strategy is going to work out, and then to see the amount of trade we lose during last week. You understand that we're unable to cash. So the reason why I'm doing this video, just like next time when you see all these particular movements, you're going to like to trust it, and then you're going to like to take the trade, so you won't miss it next time when you see them. You understand? So that's just for that. So let me delete this, and then also this one. So we are still going to leave this vertical line because it's the one that differentiates previous week and then the former week. So let's just go to like 15 minutes time frame. Sorry, 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame now, so you can see it here, and then so let's start from here. So if you shade this 15 minutes time frame, and you can see what actually broke this high. Can you see what actually broke this high here? This 15 minutes time frame. So what actually broke this high, can I say, is this particular liquidity here, this particular order block. So this is the reason why I said don't use any order block that only broke one high. It's better for you to use the next one, you understand, below it, because it's a liquidity, you understand. The that price end up breaking this, it's not the same level that end up breaking this, you understand. So what actually the other block that is responsible for this break here, this high, this particular high, the other block responsible for it, the other block responsible for it is this order block here. Can you see the other block here? I see the other block that is responsible for it. But don't use any market that broke only one single order block. So let me just start from here. That only broke one single level. So let me just start from here. Actually, what actually broke this is this particular low. So you're not going to be using this one because it only broke one high, and then that is a break of structure as ICT break of structure. But you're not going to like to make use of this particular order block. You're going to go down to like the next order block below it, because price is going to tap the low as what liquidity. So that is the two strategy I told you guys. You can see that price come all the way down to respect this particular 15 minutes order block. So price is going to like to tap this one out as what liquidity. So keep this, note this, you understand. So every single time you see it in the market, so I'm not going to like to make use of this particular order block, and get to make use of the next order block. So if you want me to like to do a video on how to identify real order block, comment on the comment section, and then tell me to make a video on how to identify real order block. And then if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. That is the only way you can help the channel to grow, and then to reach out to people that are going to like to know the difference between the real order block and not the real order block, and then this simple trading strategy. I will appreciate you doing that for me if you can subscribe. Thank you. You can see it's this particular moment that broke this, and then price come all the way down to respect this. So if you have to like to share more further, what actually broke this high? What actually broke this high? You can see that about this moment, what actually broke it, we have this break, and also this particular high, all this high here, all this high. What broke it? What broke them? All this high. So you can see the order block that end up breaking three highs, three swing highs. So where's the order block response for it? You can see this is the order block response for it. Can you see? You can see that price come all the way down to respect this particular order block, and then you can see that price tap out this one to respect the order block, and then you can set what's your stop loss there, and then your take profit. Your take profit doesn't go above you, just like, because you have to understand the markets, you understand. If you go to like a 5 minutes time frame, you're going to see what a brick or a break of social also. So you're not expecting price to go above this high, because price is still coming down to this particular low, you understand, because this is our first entry that we are expecting price to come all the way down to, and then this another short entry that you are seeing that is going to like to retest a particular level. So you have to go to like to 5 minutes time frame, just like to clarify that. So let me go to 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame right now, you're going to see the reason why price did not go above this particular high. And the reason is just like, if you have to like to shake this particular movement here, can you see this particular moment from this high to this low? It end up breaking a lot of low. It's the moment that broke this particular swing low, this particular swing low, this particular swing low, and also this particular swing low, making this order block as what a strong order block. So you are not expecting price to go above this particular high. So all your take profits has to be inside or between this particular low here, this area here, you understand. You can see that price not go above it. Can you see? because you understand the price is still coming all the way down into what this your order block here, your 15 minutes order block here. You can see that price is going to respect this one because it end up breaking multiples lows there. I mean all these multiples lows. You can see that price end up breaking all these multiples lows. Can you see there? So price goes like to respect this order block and then use it to come all the way down to this 15 minutes order block. So let's just go back to like 15 minutes order block. So I'm just showing you guys on 5 minutes the reason why price didn't go above here. So next time if you want to like to set what your take profits, you're going to like to check maybe that swing guide that you want to use is not a strong order block, you understand? So if it's a strong order block, I would advise you guys to set what your take profits below the order block, you understand? So that's just for that. And then let me delete this. And also if you check closely, let's check for another level. The price broke two level at the same time. So we see one there. Can you see price this order block here? This order block end of this movement from this low up to this from this movement here, from this place up to this low, it end up breaking a lot of lows. It's the one that broke this low, broke also this particular low. Can you see this is the second trade you are seeing there. This is the first trade, I mean. So if you check here, you can see that, okay, let me draw this low, and also this particular low. So it's the movement that broke these three lows, you understand, making this order block as what a strong order block. You can see that price come all the way up to respect this particular order block. So if you also like to set what your stop loss, your entry, and then your stop loss, I'm gonna set what's your stop loss there because it end up breaking two lows. But let me set this particular entry. Means this is our second entry. This is our second entry. So if you also like to enter into this trade, you're going to set your entry here and also set what your stop loss using this swing low, and also your take profits. You be sure that price is going to go above this particular high here. Can I say above this particular high? I mean this high here. To deliver 100%. And then this 1:9, can you see 1:9? If you use one standard loss size to enter into this trade, you're going to make $1,529. So that's just for that. So let me delete all this. We have a lot of drawing on our charts, so let me delete all this and then this. So we have seen territory within Monday to Wednesday. So I think this Monday, and then this trade was on Wednesday. So this trade was on Wednesday. So you understand our price come all the way bullish to it's what this particular take profits. If you have to like to check here also, you can see that price is going what's all the way bearish, you understand? So how do you know where to set what your take profit? So if you have to like to check here, you're going to see where the last liquidity is, and then the last liquidity is this area. Can you see the last liquidity? Can you see the last liquidity? So this one is going to give you like 1:9, also close to 1:10. So if you're risking one loss size, you're going to make like $878, you understand? So that's just for that. And then let's check for the next opportunity in the next one that end up breaking to particular high. So if you check carefully, you're going to see this particular moment here. Can you see this moment? It end up breaking all these swing highs. Let me reduce this a little bit. It end up breaking all these swing highs, all these swing highs, all this liquidity that are here. It end up taking all the liquidity. So it is strong order block. The order block that broke all this high, it was a strong order block. So let me just draw the level out. I mean this particular liquidity, this liquidity here, and all that liquidity here. So you can see is this particular moment that end up taking all this liquidity. Can you see? So this order block is a very strong order block. So you're going to set what our entry using this particular order block. You can see that price come all the way down to tap this order block, and then after that change direction going what on a bullish trend. So let's set up what our entry, then our stop loss is going to be here, then our take profit. So we're going to set our take profits where we set the 1 hour take profits using this one. So because price end up breaking two levels, you understand? So the order block responsible for every single time price break two level is a strong order block, you understand? So you can see that this one end up giving like 1:11, 1:11. Can you see this is a very good trade? You can see even though price end up going above it more, but this is where our take profit is going to be because of this particular liquidity. Most of the time price can just tap the liquidity and then change direction. That's the reason why I'm going to like to say what my take profit here. So that's just for that. And also if you also like to share from this area, can you see any strong where did price break two levels? Where did price broke two level? Can you find anyone out? Two level, two swing level. So there's not really play the price broke to strong level unless you go to like 5 minutes. So let's just share 5 minutes. Let's maybe you're going to see. So on 5 minutes, let's check where price break to level at the same time. Okay. I just check for this bearish movement. So if you check this bearish movement here, you can see that this moment, this low, this swing low, what brought this swing low? What brought this swing low? It was this moment that brought this swing low. And then if you check the next swing low, what broke it is not the same movement, you understand? So the order block that end up breaking this low is not what a strong order block. So you're going to use the order block above it, you understand? So if you also like to check the charts, let me draw this. So if you have to check it carefully, you can see that it's this moment that end up breaking this low. I'm not going to like to count all this low to you because this low is not in the side. The low that price out to break all the high, it has to be the other side of the charts, you understand? The left hand side. So that's just it. So you can see that this moment end up breaking this particular low and then it did not break this second low. It has to go up a little bit and also come down to break the second low. So if you have to like to enter into this trade, you're not going to be making use of this particular order block. You're not going to be making use of this particular order block. You can see that price go above it. This particular order block. The reason because it's just end up breaking one particular low, one particular swing low. So you're going to make use of what the order block above it, just like liquidity. So you're going to like to, if you go to like I think 3 minutes or 1 minute, you're going to see what's a clear order block. Okay, so let me delete this. You can see that price end up tapping this high and then all the way start going what's on the bearish direction. So if you just like to set up what your short position, like you want to sell the market, set up what your short position and then set your stop loss there. And also for 1 hour time frame, we know where price is going to. Price is going all the way to this particular order block. Okay, on 1 hour time frame, all the way to this particular order block. This particular order block. Let me delete all this line. So you have a lot of lines on the chart, so let me just delete them. So I've explained all those one. So on 1 hour time frame, we know where price is exactly going to coming back to this particular order block. So if you end up set towards your take profit using this particular order block, and you don't make, let's check this 1 hour order block here. So this one is showed 81. Imagine you making 81%, just risk 1% of your account, and then if you end up using one standard loss size, you're going to make, let's check, you're going to make $4,861. Can you see? $4,861 for this particular trade here, you understand, using this simple trading strategy. So that's just for that. And then if you have to like to check more where the price break two levels or break one single level and the rest is the upper one. If we check here, can you see this moment here? Sorry, let me reduce this a little bit. So if you check, you can see all these swing lows, here, all these swing low. What actually broke all these swing low? Let me draw it out. All this swing low, and also this swing low. What actually broke all these swing low? Let's check. So this order block, you can see from this low here. Sorry. From this low here, from this high to this low, it end up breaking how many lows here? It end up breaking this particular low and also this particular low and also this particular low. If you check it out, that means this order block is what a strong order block, you understand? So you're going to make use of this order block here. But if you go to like 3 minutes, you can also reduce the order block. So that's just for that. So let's just check 3 minutes time frame. It's like the order block is too big, so let's just go to like 3 minutes time frame. You're gonna see a clear order block. So this is the order block. If you use 3 minutes order block or 1 minute, you can see that price come all the way to tap into the order block and then continue what's on imperish movement. So you can keep on entering more position. So you're going to enter trade from here and also set words the take profit. So you set this particular take profit, and then if you are using one star and also it's going to give you like $2,400, $470. So the reason why we are not using this, let me go back to like 5 minutes time frame. The reason why we are not using this particular order block here, this particular order block, let me show you this particular order block here. The reason why we are not using this particular order block is just because this low, there's not any particular low that price broke here. I mean, all this is from this low, from this moment to this low. Let's show you if price break any low here. Can you see there's not any low here? So this order block is not what a strong order block, and the price is going to take it what as a liquidity. So you can, even though you don't even see the price broke some little lows here, you can make use of the order block above it. The order block above it, you can make use of the order block above it because price is going to like to respect it and then use it to come down. You understand? So that was the reason why. So let's just check if we can see another possible entry. I think yeah, right here is just like liquidity. So I'm not here to teach liquidity strategy, so I've taught you guys the two trading strategy. So if you check the two trade strategy I taught you, you can see it's really working and profitable. If you can share this particular order block here, let me reduce this, sorry. If you can share this particular order block here, I mean this order block, it end up breaking all these swing low. Let's check how many low that this order block end up breaking. It broke this particular swing low, this swing low, this swing low, and also this swing low. So this order block is what a strong order block. Can you see a strong order block? So let's just see when price come all the way down up to respect this particular order block here. So you can see that price tap into this particular order block, and then if you just like to set our entry, you set entry here, and also set what your stop loss, and also set to take profit in the same area that you're expecting to take all the former trade. So if you just like to use one standard loss size for this, you're going to make $1,990, and then if you are, this is just like 1:6%, you understand? So during the week we are able to like to accumulate a lot of position, a lot of trade. So let's just count all the trade you're able to see using 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, let's count them. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So during the week we're able to like to see several trades trading 15 minutes to 5 minutes time frame, and then on 1 hour time frame we're able to like to see 2 partially 3, you understand? So if you find this video interesting, I'll appreciate if you guys can subscribe to this channel and then turn up your notification. So in my next video, then you probably, if you request for me to do how to identify real order block, you're going to be seeing it. So you guys can see that this particular two strategy, these two simple strategy is work like magic, you understand? And then it's so simple and it's so accurate, you understand? So you can see during the week you're able to like to see several trades trading from 15 minutes to 5 minutes or to 3 minutes, and then trading on 1 hour you're able to like to see 2 trade, you understand, partially 3, you understand? So this is a profitable trading strategy. If you want more of this, you can request for it. And then so if you want my personal mentorship, you can message me on Telegram. I'm going to drop my link in the description, so check it out. And also if you're yet to subscribe right now, and then like this video. I will appreciate if you guys comment what you observe in this video, and also just like to push it more to more others to see this simple strategy so that it can also be profitable. So that's just for that. So see you guys in my next video.